Hello and welcome to my channel Sci Academy. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today we are diving into an exciting and essential field in economics, which is econometrics. Whether you are a student, researcher, or just curious about how data shapes economic decisions, this video is for you. So let's get started with what is econometrics. So what is econometrics? What is exactly econometrics? Literally interpreted, econometrics means economic measurement. Although measurement is an important part of econometrics, the scope of econometrics is much broader. Nowadays, econometrics forms an indispensable tools to model empirical reality in almost all economic and business disciplines. Econometrics is the application of statistical and mathematical techniques to economic data in order to test theories, analyze trends, and make forecasts. It helps us answer real-world economic questions with data-driven insights. For example, if we want to understand the relationship between inflation and unemployment, econometrics allows us to quantify and analyze this relationship rather than just relying on intuition. Why is econometrics important? Of course, econometrics plays a crucial role in economic and policy making. Here is why. First of all, the first importance of econometrics is it helps economists and policymakers make informed decisions. Secondly, it allows businesses to forecast future trends such as consumers demand and investment risks, and it provides empirical evidence to support or reject economic theories. Without econometrics, economic theories would remain abstract concepts with no way to test their real-world validity. Econometrics is an interdisciplinary field, so it uses insights. This graph shows that econometrics is an interdisciplinary field, so it uses insights from economics and businesses in selecting the relevant variables and models. It uses as well the computer science methods to collect the data and to solve econometric models, and it uses as well statistics and mathematics to develop econometric methods that are appropriate for the data and the problem at hand. So econometrics is an amalgam of economic theory, mathematical economics, economic statistics, and mathematical statistics. If you want to know the methodology of econometrics, how do econometricians proceed in their analysis of an econometric problem? That is what is their methodology. So what is the methodology of econometrics? We present here the traditional or classical methodology, which still dominates empirical research in economics and other social and behavioral sciences. Let's take a look at this graph. So broadly speaking, traditional econometric methodology proceeds along the following lines. The first line is statement of theory or hypothesis, then the specification of the mathematical model of theory, and as the third step, specification of statistical or econometric model and how to obtain the data, and estimation of the parameters of the econometric models, hypothesis testing, and forecasting or prediction, and finally using the model for control or policy purposes. Let's take a look at some applications used in econometrics. Econometrics is widely used across different fields. Some key applications include analyzing the impact of government policies on economic growth, predicting stock market trends and investment risks, estimating the effects of interest rates on consumer spending, and finally understanding income inequality and labor market trends. Finally, key tools in econometrics. Econometrics relies on tools like statistical software such as R, Stata, eViews, and Python, regression analysis to find relationships between variables, especially between dependent variables and one or more explanatory variables or independent variables, the time series analysis to study economic data over time. And that wraps up our introduction to econometrics. I hope you found this lesson helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will be happy to answer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next lesson where we'll dive into the fundamentals of regression analysis. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in the next video.